Today we're going to work on factoring a number. The factors are the two numbers that you would multiply together to get a particular number. Okay? So in this case, this would be a multiple. And these two numbers are factors. So we want to figure out how many different numbers could we multiply to get the number 66. So let me erase this, and we are going to go through my divisibility chart to help us determine our factors. Let me go over the rules quickly. 1 will be a factor always. You can always do 1 times that number. 2 will work if the number ends in an even number. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. In this case, it is an even number, and I will tell you that 2 times 33 makes 66. Next, you're going to go and see if 3 will work. The digits add up to 3, 6, or 9. The digits add up. The digits here are 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12. Oh, 12 is more than 9. It's a 2-digit number. I should add those together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 3 is going to be a factor. Okay? Now, figuring out if it's a factor does not give me the other answer. That I'd have to do long division to solve if I don't know myself. I happen to know 3 times 22 will give me 66. Now we're going to check if 4 is a factor. If 2 was a factor, it is. The other factor is even. 33 is not an even number, so 4 is not going to be a factor. Now I'm going to look and see. Ends in 5 or 0, then 5 will be a factor. The number ends in 6, so 5 is not a factor. If 2 and 3 are factors, 2 was a factor, 3 was a factor, so 6 is going to work. 6 times 11 makes 66. 7. There are no tricks, so you just need to know your 7 times tables. I know 7 times 9 is 63, and 7 times 10 is 70, so that was 1 below and 1 above. I never say 66, so 7 is not a factor. Let's see if 8's a factor. It says if 4 worked. 4 didn't work, so it doesn't matter. I don't even need to see if the other one was even. This is kind of the exact same thing as the 4, if 2 was a factor, only now you're looking if 4 was a factor. So that one didn't work. 3, the digits add up to 9. The digits, we already added them up, and we got 3. So 3 could work and 6 could work. But in order for 9 to work, they need to add up to 9, and they did not. So 9 is not a factor. Ends in 0. 66 does not end in a 0, so 10 is not a factor. And what comes after 10? 11. And now we are on the other side of our chart. And once we've done this, because we went in an organized manner, we have found all the factors for the number 66. Let's just look at the rule for 11 anyway. It says, is it a mirrored number? When 2 looks in the mirror, he sees 2. When 3 looks in the mirror, he sees 3, 4, and so on. When 6 looks in the mirror, they see 6. That is a mirrored fact, and it makes sense that 11 is on there. So if I were to write the factors of 6, I would write 1, 2, 3, 6, go up the other side, 11, 22, 33, and 66.